October 13th card opening. Busy day at work, not getting home anytime soon, so we'll just open up the cards first. I planned to do it lunchtime, but again, too busy. Series 1, 2016. John Gray, rookie card. No. Multiple Oreos. Arrieta, Greinke, Kershaw. Perspectives. Nice photo. Peralta. Ketel Marte. Sonny Gray. Trey Turner. And Oliver Perez. Pretty good first pack. Go over those again. Trey Turner rookie. Ketel Marte, Craig Biggio, and John Gray. Next is 2020 UK. Gavin Lux, Luis Robert, Patrick Corbin, Street, Brian Reynolds, Gonzalez, Jason Contreras, Walker Buehler, Yamaguchi, Luis Perez. Again, sharp looking rock, Lux, Robert. Doing good for the packs opening so far. We continue with Allen and Denton. We got Tree in the back. This dude, A-Rod, Hayes, Barrett, Donald, Max Krylov. It wasn't a complete loss. Kana and the Silver Maple. Like the Krylov. Almost a loss there. Topps Chrome. Jordan Alvarez on the back. Nate Pearson. Mark Kahana. Joey Bart. And Jordan Alvarez. So continue getting some rookies. Optic. Trevor Bauer, Yadi Molina, 199, and a Mike Trout. Well, no rookies, but it was a Mike Trout. Yadi numbered. I like their price. On the pack we opened up, this 2009 Bowman Jumbo. The Daniel Bryan was the rookie. Not Daniel Murphy, not Daniel Bryan. Daniel Murphy. Too many Daniels in my head. Felix. Corey Hunter. Bruce. Adrian Gonzalez. Dusty Pedroia. Heavy, David Freese, out of 250. Linda Cruz, Matthew Moore, Miguel Flores, Colina, Bushel, Mitch Denning, Concepcion Rodriguez, Komodo, Bushel. How do you know what the actual autograph is? Jesse Darcy, Dylan Lindsay, Patrick Ryan, Pinda. Feels like a chrome refractor. Refractor out of $5.99. Royals. Zach Greinke. Marcus Nelson Cruz. Maybe Nelson Cruz rookie. Nick Swisher. Oh, I remember Nick Swisher. Matt Holiday. Is he on the A's? Yeah, it's too bad they lost that guy. Toyota and Matt Antoinette. Huh. That makes me depressed. So young in his career and they bounced him. Anyway, that's all for card opening. You have a good day.